when you say so that you can be afraid. If you're afraid, you leave that. But if you want to know Kirundi, follow this video until the end. I understood what I want to say to you because today we will see something very important. There is some very difficult to understand the difference between and in this video you will have a lot of precision about that and how you can be fixed in your head. First, let's start with the pronunciation of these two sentences.
mureke aruhuke ararushe kuko yakoze cane uyu munsi azobandanya gukora ejo yaruhutse. Umukoreye ibintu vyinshi biramuruhisha kuko aracari muto. Wamuruhishije kubera ibikorwa wamukoresheje.
Okay, in this first example, I wanted to show you the verb kuruha. In the past is she. The finishing of in the past, you would put she. But what I wanted to speak about is about the definition, is about the signification, is mean to be tired. Mureke aruhuke, let him that he can rest. It's really important to see. Here you have kuruhuka. Aruhuke. It's a subjunctive that we saw in the previous lessons. It's very important to know. Kuruhuka. It means to rest. Hararushe is tired. You know, kuruhuka, hanyuma tuzobona kuruhisha. Kirundi is not so easy. It's very important to follow all the formation with me and the other teacher. You will know a lot of things, but let him to rest because he's tired. He's tired because he did a lot of things today. He will continue to work tomorrow. Aruhutse is not tired. Yaruhutse. Ça vient du même verbe que kuruhuka. Kuruhuka, se reposer. Mais il s'est reposé. Ça veut dire it's the same verb. It means it's not in the past. It's past. Yeah, he finished to rest. That is very important to know, to understand. Kuruhuka, kuruha, kuruhisha. Now let's see with kuruhisha. Here, another sentence very difficult. Kuruhisha, to make worry, to make tired someone. It's also important to know. Here I put the termination, definition in past. Umukoreye ibintu byinshi. You make a lot of things for him. And biramuruhisha. It's making him tired because he's already young. Wamuruhishije. You tired. You make him tired because of work, of the work you made him to do. Here it's very important to know to understand all the kind of verb and conjugation. For example, umukoreye ibintu byinshi. To know that umukoreye twabonye we saw in the video gukorera is to make something for someone. or biramuruhisha. Here is biramuruhisha. It's the thing that he did. It's that's why it's biramuruhisha. It's made him tired. Okay, this form is already easy because it's in present. But here you have the same form in past. Wamuruishije. That means that it's finished. But it's the same verb. That is very important to understand the difference between them. In the last point, I want to give you other kind of thing that you need to know. And also you need to know that everything like that is by working some to follow formation, you can understand that very, very fast. That's why don't hesitate to to them, yes. Okay. Okay. I wanted to finish with just some definition. Kuruhisha, it's kwikorera ibintu bifise ibiro byinshi. Bikurengeye, birakuruhisha. It's something above you. Kuguma utuma canke ukoresha umuntu ibintu byinshi udaheza. Kumuruhisha. Birakuruhisha, kumuruhisha. Donc kuguma utuma canke ukoresha umuntu ibintu byinshi udaheza. Is to give a lot of things to someone that he make him tired. And for example, for kwikorera, when I said birakuruhisha, it's like kwikorera ibintu bifise ibiro byinshi bikurengeye. Is kwikorera, c'est bon, is to do something. I said to do something for someone, but it's like kwikorera, c'est aussi guterura ibintu bifise ibiro byinshi, donc urarusha. It means that you are tired because you're putting above something with very heavy. Okay. And for kuruha, it's gukora ibintu byinshi umwanya muto utaruhuka akagera haho wumva ko utobandanya gukora utaruhutse. It doesn't mean that you are tired in English. To be tired, it doesn't mean I said it's like to do a lot of things in short time without resting. It's also, and it's very understand to see this kind of utaruhuka, this kind of conjugation of verb to understand the way of speaking of Burundian guys. If you want to speak like a Burundian, you need maybe to be in Burundi or to work with Burundian, with our team, our equipe, that will help you to speak Kirundi in fast way, in easy way. Okay, thank you.